Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So recently I shopped a bunch of products from Club Factory and this is my first time shopping from the app, and there have been a lot of mixed reviews about the app and the quality of products that they offer. There have been negative and positive reviews both. So let's see what I have got. So this is the package that I received, and to be honest, I'm quite disappointed with the speed of their delivery because I ordered the products on 5th of January and I received the package on 18th of Jan, which is 13 days. So I think that is quite a long time. But let's just see what we've got. Now I have my scissors and I'm just gonna cut into it. I am excited. So the first thing I got is this. I mean, just look at the packaging. I don't want to speak anything about the packaging, but let's just see. This was a sealer kind of a thing. It seals the product like anything, like you have an open package and you seal it with the help of heat. So this is what it does, and I don't even know how this works or even if this works or not. Okay, so it functions on batteries. I'll just put in some batteries and check if it functions. So this is the first product. The prices of every product would be in the description box below. So to be honest, the packaging is like really clumsy. I don't know. Okay, so this is the second thing. What's wrong with the packaging? I don't know if the packaging is bad or the delivery boy handled it badly. So this is a cappuccino maker. Basically it helps in frothing the coffee. So yeah, it has this spring kind of a thing, and does this also operate on the battery? I don't know. So I have to put in some batteries in there as well. So the next thing I got is a bunch of baking stuff. So this is basically a piping bag for piping the frosting on the cake. Okay, so this is the bag, and we've got a few nozzles. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 6. We've got 6 nozzles. So the quality of the nozzles seem fine. Like there are different designs for the nozzles. So I think this product seems fine to me, and the quality also isn't that bad, and it doesn't even smell bad. So I think this one is a good purchase. Okay. So next I ordered, what is this? Let's just see what this package is. So here we have. Okay, so this is, I don't even know what it's called, but it is supposed to be put on how do I show you, on a saucepan, so that the liquid doesn't go anywhere while you're pouring something. So this is supposed to be on a pan. My smells like clay, the clay that we used to play bachpan mein, the clay dough. I don't even know if I'm gonna use this. Okay, so I ordered cupcake molds. I think मेरे पूरी आसपास के 4-5 गलियों के लोगों के लिए हर घर में 4-4 cupcake भी भेजूंगी, तो I think this would be enough. Like I don't even know how many they are. So let's just open it. Okay, so some are in the bags, some are loose, smell like clay, but I think there are at least 100 of them. I don't know. Like, okay, the quality, I'm not really sure, but I think the silicone is fine. I think it'll work well. So the next thing I ordered was some cookie cutters. Here it is, and what What is wrong with the packaging, you guys? So these are the cookie cutters. Quite fragile, as you can see. But I think they'll work well. I think they'll do what they're supposed to. So I think the quality of this product also is not that bad. So I got a few batteries now, and I'm just going to test this one and this. So let's see if they work or not. So here I have two batteries, and how am I supposed to put it in? So I finally got the batteries in, and I hope I've got them right. This thing actually works. Oh my god. I think I'm going to make a good use out of it. I'm going to make really good. I think I'm going to make good coffee right now. Okay, so I think this works, and let's just check the sealer. Oh. Okay. So this is the sealer, and I'm just gonna put in the batteries into it. Does this thing have an on or a off button? What? How do you work? Dude! Like seriously? You wouldn't even give a start button on this product? Like, is it supposed to heat up on its own and start sealing products? I mean, I really don't know if I'm going to get this thing to work, because do I hold it like this for an eternity? I don't know. Let's just sit like this for 5 hours and see if this works. So I think it's been 10 hours or what? This thing is a waste of money. I wasted my money on this product. I don't even know if it's supposed to like work or not, but sadly. So I think except of this thing, everything else is quite good if we just keep the packaging apart. And I'm really looking forward to try this thing out. And yeah, I don't think anything is like very bad, and for the price I think the quality is okay. So if you want me to do any other hauls like these, so you must comment down below. And we are so close to a 5,000 subscribers, so if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. It would mean a lot to me. So yeah, I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.